This brick home has undergone a transformation, making it a spacious, convenient and comfortable family home here in the heart of Ryde. Hi, I'm Chris Padisi, proudly representing Pello on the northern suburbs, and it's a real honour to show you this home here on Quarry Road. Let's go and take a look. The location of this home is an absolute standout. You're mere moments from popular shopping centres, Top Ryde, Midway Shops, Eastwood and Putney villages are just minutes drive away. You have a selection of transport options at your doorstep, including regular buses and metro stations a short distance away. Some highly sought after primary and high schools service the area also. Within minutes you have road links towards the CBD and western suburbs. Everything is at your fingertips here. What I feel like most families are going to absolutely love about this home is the high quality renovation that's been done throughout and the amount of accommodation that's on offer. There's a selection of bedroom, home office and living spaces for the family to grow into, and the lovely renovation that's been done allows you to enjoy from day one. So here you have it. Family homes with this much accommodation and such a nice renovation and full brick in such a convenient location are very hard to come by. If I can help with any inquiries, please feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you at our upcoming open home.